up, you guys? It's your girl and Samantha. Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I have created a vibrant eye look, but that's gonna be another video. But I also created this really cute Flexirod set on an old Silkpress. I really do love how it turned out. So if you guys would like to see how I achieve this look, then definitely keep on watching. Before we hop into that, definitely make sure that you hit the red subscribe button down below and you hit that post notification bell so you know when I post new videos. But you guys know I like to ramble, so let's cut that short and get right into this video. Alright guys, so I'm starting on an old Silkpress like you guys read, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take this down. My hair feels really dry at this point. It's pretty lifeless and I didn't really feel like I can wear it down like this anymore. My scalp is definitely in need of some moisture, so yeah, we're just gonna put these Flexirods in just to give my hair some life before I go ahead and wash it. All I'm using is the Missrayyy Organics Bouncy Curly Cocktail. So this is what that looks like, and a bunch of Flexirods. So I'm using the purple ones. I'm honestly not sure the size. So this is the size of the purple ones. They're kind of ghetto looking right now because I haven't used them in a long time. They've just been stuck in a drawer. So I'm using this one, this size, this size. This is the size of them. And then the gray ones as well. So I believe the orange ones are a little bit, yeah. So the gray ones are, the orange ones are the smallest. The gray ones are a little bit bigger, and the purple ones are the largest. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the orange ones on top and the bigger ones closer to the bottom. Hopefully that works out for me. We will see. But yeah guys, let's just get started. So I think I'm going to be doing a side part. So I'm just going to reinforce this side part that I already have. My hair is so dry, you guys. So I'm just gonna section off my hair. So I'm gonna work on like medium size section. So I'm using this as one whole section. Hopefully it's not too much hair, but I guess we're gonna find out. So I'm gonna start with like 3 pumps of the mousse. I'm putting that all over my hair. You guys can definitely see that I have low porosity hair because my hair is still having a hard time reverting after putting that mousse, because my hair takes a lot of moisture. So I didn't get this first piece on camera, but you want to make sure that the ends are wet enough that it's actually sticking to the Flexirod. So if they are not, just add a little bit more product and wrap it around. So as you can see, I'm just adding a little bit more because my ends are kind of puffing up. This is really important and crucial for your rod set, because if you do not do this, your Flexirod set will come out very frizzy. So once you see that your hair is not really sticking to the rod, just add a little bit more product and smooth it down in like the direction that you are wrapping. Once you've wrapped it, just bend the ends and the top up so that the Flexirod will stay into place. I just feel like, I don't know, these YouTubers be making this look super easy, but it really is not. Alright you guys, so we're going to try this again. So you're going to take your ends, wrap it around, and smooth it down like I'm doing right here, and just keep wrapping slowly. And if you see any frizzies, just take your hands, smooth it down again, because we do not want a frizzy Flexirod set, okay? So like I was doing, you guys can see I'm just like moving my hands in the direction that the Flexirod is going. You're just going to keep wrapping. Once you get to the top, bend that a little bit, bend the bottom a little bit, then we're good to go. Another major key is to make sure that you guys are wrapping your hair in the same direction for all of your rods. So choose a direction. Either you're going to wrap your hair towards your face or away from your face. I chose to wrap my hair away from my face. This is just going to help everything look nice and seamless, because if you have them going in different directions, it's going to look like a hot mess. So just choose one and stick with it. And yeah, make sure you do that. Hopefully you guys got the hang of it, but I'm gonna just talk you through it one last time, then you guys are on your own. But I'm adding 3 pumps to my hair, and I'm trying to use the same size of sections for my rods. And if you need to, definitely make sure that you are going in and detangling your hair, and you're gonna put the rod underneath your hair and then start wrapping, and make sure everything is nice and sleek because we don't want no frizzies. Bend at the top, bend at the bottom, and you're good to go. These ones are a little bit smaller. I got them in like an Amazon pack, and they're not as big as these ones, so that's why I'm trying to add these to the bottom. And I think that's what's giving me the hard time, just because my hair is pretty long and these are a lot shorter. So definitely make sure that if you are buying these from Amazon, make sure that they are the long ones. So I'm ready to take these down. I have no idea if it's actually fully dry because I didn't end up sitting under the hooded dryer. I wasn't feeling well, so I just decided, you know what, I'm gonna sleep with a bonnet and just pray for the best. So let's go ahead and start taking these down. I'm just gonna add some coconut oil to my hands to minimize the frizz. So I'm just adding that. And let's start unraveling, you guys. I already feel like they're gonna be frizzy. Alright, let's keep going. If it doesn't turn out, I'm probably just gonna put it in a puff, so yeah. Okay, so now that my hair is all taken down, I'm gonna just put some of it up in a ponytail with my satin scrunchie, and then I'm going to separate these curls. I just felt like I was out here looking like someone's whole grandma, but I'm telling you guys, you have to trust the process because I was shocked to see how everything turned out. So the key with this is that you want to separate your hair in and then curl the pieces. Okay. Separate your hair and then curl the pieces in the same direction that you applied the rods. So you're gonna curl away from your face. This little curling action that you're gonna be doing after you separate is crucial. It helps to minimize the frizz, and it just gives the individual curls a little bit of, it just clumps them up together and gives it more of a uniform look. So because I did already have some frizz, I didn't want to separate too much. I did go back in the end, and once I saw how my hair was looking, I did go back and separate a little bit more. But another key, I know I'm coming with all the keys today, but another key is to make sure that you're not over separating because you can't undo that if you have. Alright, so I'm shocked. I did not think that it would turn out like this. Even though it's frizzy, I thought it would be much worse. But let's go ahead and move on to this side. Okay, so this is how my hair is looking without fluffing. I actually really like it. but I'm gonna have to like fix it up a little bit and pick it out to make it my own, but I'm surprised that it turned out like this. Alright, so I got my pick and I'm just lifting my hair at the roots, and then I lightly go in at the bottoms here and there and just puff that out and shape it a little bit. And then, as always, I went in with my single rat tail comb, and that's just gonna help define and lift the bottom of my hair just a little bit more. And that was basically it before I went in and did my edges. So I'm using the edge control called First Touchdown. This is actually my first time using it, and I actually really did love it. It held my hair down for a while. After I put it in my hair, I did go ahead and tie it down, and I did not have any problems or had to reapply, which was awesome. So I'm just gonna use some bobby pins, pin this all up, and then I'll be done with this. Okay guys, so this is the final look of my hair. I am actually really surprised how it turned out. I think after this I'm just gonna spray it down with some hairspray so it gives it a little bit of extra hold, but I am surprised. This is a testament of actually trusting the process, because at first I was pretty, I don't know, I was pretty scared about the frizz and all that, but I mean, as much as I do have some frizz, I really do like how it turned out. I could have separated a little bit more, but I wanted it to last, so that's why I didn't do that. But if you guys like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, make sure that you're subscribed. But yeah, you guys, I think that's pretty much it. Comment down below if you are feeling this look, if this is something that you would try. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Toodles! Bye.